Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, Microscope Beauty. Today I am putting some A's to your Q's and answering your questions, and I want to get to as many as possible, so let's just do this. So the first question is from Rachel, and she asked, what would be the dream product for Oh Hello to make? So right now there really isn't any like dream product that I would want to make because I'm making a lot of them for our subscription box. And I just realized that I haven't talked about the subscription box on here. So I think the next video, if I remember the schedule right, the next video is going to be the Oh Hello box unboxing. And you get to hear all about the subscription box and everything. I've talked about it a bunch on the vlog channel. So if you're not following that, go over there for sure, because you get like tons of spoilers and stuff. But I am getting to make a ton of really cool stuff. And a lot of the upcoming boxes are going to have some like insane products. Like we're doing more clothing. We're getting into like just really, really cool stuff. So I've been having a lot of fun with that because there's always been products that I wish we could make. And I'm getting to do those. And I don't want to like give too much away because obviously I'm not 100% sure about anything just yet. But I'm excited. Dawn asks, what do you do with all of those planners that you receive for review? Do you do giveaways, gifts, etc.? So I do a lot of giveaways on my blog. So a bunch of stuff will be linked below, everything I talk about. So go down there. So I do get a lot of planners, which is super awesome and I'm super fortunate, but I don't need that stress in my life. You guys know that the more planners, the more problems I have. So I like to give them away and give them out. So I do giveaways. I give them to a lot of friends. Yeah, that's usually what I do with them. Sometimes I'll keep them if I have a couple of ideas of videos that I want to do with them or something, but I try my best not to keep that many in the house. It's like Oreos. You can't have that kind of stuff in your house. Christina asks, how would you decorate your own store and which product would you offer? So if like I had an actual storefront, it would be like hardcore, like urban jungle vibes. Lots of like wood tones and plants and gold and navies, like very, very cool. I kind of want to have a tiki bar. Like, I don't know what goes into getting a liquor license, but if my stationery store would have a tiki bar, that would just be like top life accomplishment for me. So yeah, it'd be decorated like that. I would carry the same kind of products. I think a lot of things I would want to put in the store are going to be things that are coming in the subscription boxes. So I'm just so excited about the next year. Sarah asked, Oh Hello is in a major growth spurt right now. Where else would you like to grow? Can you see yourself designing and selling stickers in like 10 years from now? Honestly, no. I don't see, like I see us still doing stickers, but it's not going to be like the main source of things. I think the subscription box, honestly, I'm going to probably talk about it way too much in this video because I'm just so excited about it. And it's like everything I'm doing right now. I do think we'll be moving more into like a lifestyle brand and doing more curated things and designing more like home good products and that sort of thing. Lee asks, what other TN inserts will you be coming out with or would like to have? Maybe a bill tracker or a travel one. I definitely want to do a travel one for sure. I have tons of ideas for that one. We've been asked to do like a health one and a meal planning one. So those are definite ones we need to come out with. I think we'll probably get them out in the next 3 months or so. Alex and I were talking about it today, like designing new ones and things. So if you have any suggestions for inserts you'd like to see, let me know. Kim asks, how much time do you spend in your planner a day? So I probably spend, like I constantly have my like to-do list planner with me. So I'm checking things off, I'm adding things. So that one's with me like all the time. But in my like Erin Condren, I probably spend like 20 minutes a day adding stickers, changing things, that sort of thing. But if I'm doing like a full spread or whatever, it could be up to an hour to get that all done. But like my to-do list one's always with me. Sonia asks, how much time do you spend on product development? How long does it typically take for that product idea to become reality? So our travelers' notebooks themselves took about a year. So we had this idea of like what we wanted to do differently with our notebooks, what kind of products, like textures and materials we wanted out of them. Then we had to do like testing. We had so many products we just like did not like the material. Things were wrong with it. There was just like so many things. So that took about a year from like the idea phase to product development to getting them created and then doing marketing and stuff. Most of the time though, with like a lot of the box stuff, it doesn't take as long because Alex is promotional business. So he has a lot of connections with like promotional companies and everything. I will link his website down below too, if you don't know about Oh Hello Promo. So he's made all these networks and relationships with companies that can do stuff that is beyond our scope or we can work with them. So it's actually a lot easier if I want to do like a candle or something. We have the connections to put our designs on those products now. So things have gotten actually a lot faster and a lot easier for us. Jennifer asks, not planner related, what is your dream vacation destination and why? Right now, we really want to go to Japan. I feel like I've talked about this in a video. We were going to go at the end of this year, and then with all of the travel that we've been doing, it just didn't seem feasible, but with like all the work we had to catch up on from all the travel. So we are still really wanting to go to Japan. I would just lose my mind in all of those like stationery stores. I just cannot wait to go, and Alex is super excited as well. It seems like a place that has a lot of both of our interests. He really likes anime and the food. I'm really into like stationery, kawaii stuff. So I would love to go to Japan soon. Have you considered putting some of the Oh Hello promo products into the Oh Hello Co store? So I think she's referring to like promo. We can do everything that you could possibly put a design or a logo on. We can do it. So I think the box kind of solves that gap. So a lot of the stuff promo can do is going to show up in the box, and we might carry some like extra stuff, a la carte stuff in the store from the box, or we might keep it all exclusive. I haven't figured it out yet, but that was a really good question. Pax8688 on Instagram asks, will the outside of the monthly boxes be different each month? I'm assuming you're meaning the subscription box. Not each month, but we will be changing them up. So right now, the box design that we have, I'll include a little photo over here, a little teaser of the upcoming video. That is going to be the box for at least the first 2 months, but I might switch it up. I think it'd be fun to switch it up. Amy said, please say that you guys are going to vlog like you did for Easter. Thought that was awesome. So that vlog, we just kind of did like a long stream of like consciousness vlog. I think that's what you're referring to. I do plan on doing a lot more vlogs. I have been vlogging a lot more. We might do something like that for Christmas, maybe like an extended thing. So maybe. D Gamble asked, what is your favorite printer? So these are Oh Hello specific questions on Instagram. I really like Epson printers. They're all good. I like them all. She wants me to do a shop tour. No, that thing is a hot mess. I posted one, I think a year or two ago, so I will link that video above. But the amount of effort to like make it somewhat presentable is just, no, I just couldn't even. Kelly is asking, how does one start making stickers? I have the supplies, but not the know-how. So there are a ton of videos on YouTube on how to do it. I did not have those videos, so I did a lot of trial and error, but honestly, it's just designing your stickers, putting a cut line around them, which they show on those files, and then printing, cutting. It's honestly not that difficult. Allie asks, will you ever create dated TN inserts? Maybe. Right now, we just wanted to get inserts out there, so undated is a lot easier to like figure out demand, what people are interested in, that sort of thing. But hopefully in the future, as the demand grows and the interest in our inserts gets bigger, we can do more dated things. Crafty Kime HS asked, when you started, were you working another job or did you always start like Oh Hello Stationery full time? And then I think she's asking if Alex worked another job too. So when I started Oh Hello, it was in 2014, and I was working as a marketer for the University of Michigan, and it was a great job. I loved it. It was exactly what I went to school for. It had great benefits and all that sort of thing. But I started the company because I wanted to do something creative, have a nice creative outlet that was specifically for me. Alex was working, doing funding for entrepreneurs, and like things were normal. Things were going good. And then stationery kind of just exploded and took off and became this amazing thing. And we were faced with this decision of, do we quit our jobs and pursue this risky thing that could potentially have awesome rewards? Or do we keep it small and just stick with our jobs? So Alex quit first because I had better healthcare benefits. And then I quit 3 months later, and we've been doing it full time ever since. So I quit about almost a year into starting my business. So I think I answered all the questions. So I hope that was helpful. There was a lot of business and like sticker and planner related ones. But if you have any other questions about my life, about my cats, about my husband, any of that, let me know in the comments and I will either answer them down there or film another video for you. I hope you guys enjoyed this and got a little bit of a deeper look into what goes on behind the scenes. And be sure to subscribe because the next video is going to be the unboxing video for the subscription box, and I'm so excited. So definitely subscribe so you can see that, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And I'll see you in my next one, the subscription one. Bye.